Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy, your go-to place to learn web development the right way. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this growing learning community. You are watching part 12 of our complete HTML mastery series, HTML IFrames and Embedding content. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore what an iframe is, how to embed external content such as videos and maps, and cover best practices including important security tips. This video is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, or anyone interested in embedding external content on their web pages. So, let us dive into the code and start learning by doing. Practical hands-on experience is the best way to master HTML. An iframe or inline frame lets you embed another web page or content inside your current HTML page. It is useful to display external sites or media without leaving your page. Here is a simple iframe embedding an external site. You set the source URL and size using width and height attributes. Key attributes for iframes include src for the URL, width and height for size, frame border to show or hide borders, and allow full screen to allow full screen viewing. Embedding YouTube videos is common with iframes. You just need the video's embed URL from YouTube and place it inside an iframe tag. Similarly, Google Maps can embed via iframe. You get the embed code from Google Maps sharing options and paste it into your page. To make iframes responsive, use CSS. Setting width to 100% allows the iframe to scale with the page layout while keeping a fixed height. Embedding content can pose security risk. Use the sandbox attribute to restrict what the iframe content can do, like blocking scripts or forms. In summary, iframes let you embed external content like videos and maps. Customize their size and behavior with the attributes and CSS, and always consider security using sandboxing. Next, we will begin our journey into CSS and how to style your HTML elements beautifully. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy. Tap the bell icon to get notified about new tutorials.